to another video. In this video, I was thinking I would give you a little bit of pointers on how you will be able to play Aion 2, which is coming on the 18th and 19th of November. But you know, pre-registration has already started, and it's a good thing that if you can already register right now. So just follow the simple steps I'm about to explain to you to be able to acquire one of the two mounts and 100,000 Kina in-game currency for the game when it launches. Also, you will be able to pre-register the character soon, next month, and secure your name next month on the server. Today, I'm gonna mostly be focusing on Taiwan because it is much easier, but I will give you a pointer on how to play on both servers in general. So first of all and foremost, you should be joining my Discord that I have created for assistance and help in generally, you know, Aion China server, Korea server, or the Taiwanese server. So this the Discord is called Deva's Aid, and we do not sell accounts, but we assist and help in every kind of way. We have a Chinese team and people from various regions who are helping and assisting in account creation, payment systems, or just simply English patches, and of course client issues if there are client issues. Okay, so now first of all, if you want a Korean account and there is no way around it, there is a way you can acquire it from the various websites, but I can already tell you if you do that, there's a high chance you will not get any account. First. Secondly, you will be waiting in a long time, and there's always a chance that the account gets taken from you. From me or from us, you are able to get an account, but here's the problem that we have people in Korea who are creating those accounts, and they charge that they take a charge fee, right? So that's why I'm saying it's probably much easier to go for the Taiwanese account, so you do not have to pay the charge fee, as it is much easier and simpler to go with the Taiwanese account, because I don't want you to pay randomly for something that you don't have to. So playing on the Korean server would be your own choice. Yes, I can help with Korean accounts. I can provide as many as you want. And yes, I can help with setting up the phone number afterwards to your own phone number. So the account would be your account for the future and can be used for any games that NCSoft is planning to release in Korea in the future. And yes, you will be able to pay and top up coins on your own, and it would be fully your account. So that is one pack, and that would cost you one time $35. Again, if you want to do that, message me directly or join my Discord and then ask for it in the ticket system. Now let's come to the easier way, which is the free way, which is the way for the Taiwanese server. So for the Taiwanese server, it is actually, as I just mentioned, it is much easier. And the way that works is actually quite simple. So what you need to do is you need to, I would advise get Google Chrome, and then set up a profile. So I would go with a new profile, then click on sign in and create a new account. So that is what I would recommend you. Now on here for creating a new account, you can select what kind of account you want. For my personal, for my child, whatever, I would go with personal. Then you can enter here a name. Let's say let's go like this. Then next. I mean, you all know how to create an account in Google. That's it. Next. And now this is the important part with the username. So let's go with the Philo882. I guess that exists already. Yes. Let's go with whatever that is. Let me change that to Philo. And let's say 8822. Can I do this? Oh, that works. So I'm gonna add a password to it. Of course, you cannot see the password, but it doesn't really matter because I'm gonna be deleting that account after I'm done anyways. So go next, next, next. And now I can scan the code with your phone to kind of set up security. So I'm just gonna do that on the side. Let me actually do that with my other phone. Blah blah blah. There you go. Oh, there you go. Scan. Send SMS. Or in that case, it's text. So the verification process is still being run in the background. I'm just gonna pause the video and just skip it. I think that's much faster. Okay, so now we need to enter a recovery email. I'm just gonna say one of my old emails that I don't really use anymore as much, like so, so now I need a recovery email. In my case, I'm just gonna use one of my emails that I don't really use for anything else. Yeah, that one, for example. That is one of my thrown away emails that I don't really care for anymore, since this account doesn't really matter. But in your case, obviously, you should be using an email that you have access to, that you're able to come back to. Make a single choice that applies to all settings. Make step-by-step choice. Let's go with a single choice so we are just faster. Accept all, continue, agree, and that's it. So turn sync on, let's say yes, who cares. So now you have set up a profile on Chrome, and you can also have like a search engine as a default engine. You can set whatever. Done. Yeah, so now when I'm opening here again, I see the email I just set up here as a profile. I can then just go ahead and delete it. In this case, as it's just a test version. But now what you need to do is you need to go to the website, which is here. Let me open the website. So you need to go to the Taiwanese website, which is this one, and you need to log in. So you click on the home button on the top left, then you are here, then you just wait a few seconds, click on skip, click on this one, sorry, click on the race you want to click on. It doesn't really matter, you can go with any race. Let's mute this for here, and then you need to click on this website, which is the main website. Right over here at the top, this is where you can go to log in. So you can always just go ahead, right click and translate it to English, but this is where you want to go for login, and then where you have the option to log in with Google. Now this is the reason why we set up the profile, is because now you can use that profile and just log in. And whenever you come back, it is already you log in and everything is already saved, and you can already use that. So now it's asking me for migration and verification, terms and condition agreements and stuff. And you'll see in a few seconds that the account is created and I am logged in. Let's actually go with dark mode. So in here, it's asking you current location, date of birth, Taiwan. So it's asking for my date of birth. I'm just going to say something that I'm definitely, obviously don't ever give you real information. So just enter whatever you like. Agree, agree, agree. Agree to all. Getting started. Done. The account is created. You can now go ahead and you can, use these login information to log into your Purple launcher. Since the region is set already, it will automatically be logging into your region, but you also would have the possibility to download the launcher over here. And now we're gonna go back, click on the icon again at the top, and we're gonna click on this option over here in the middle to kind of reload the whole event thing that is going on. Skip, and we click on this icon down here. Let's mute that. We click on the icon down here, and now you have the event bundle basically that is going on for pre-registration. You click here and you press this, then it will show you your email address. It doesn't really matter which one is selected, just keep it on Google, that's fine. And then just press OK, and there you go. This is the code you need. And right now it's kind of working as first come first serve. Whoever takes this code can use it for his account. So I don't really care for it, so that's fine. I just literally created this for the jokes, for the lols, that you can know how it works. It's that is it basically. There's nothing else. Like, now you're pre-registered, your account is set, and when the time comes, you will be able to download the game, you will be able to play the game. Simple as that. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Talk to you soon. If there's anything, join my Discord, DM me directly, and I'll help you. Thanks. Bye.